What is the SI unit of force? A. Joule. B. Watt. C. Newton. D. Pascal. Answer. C. Newton. Which particle has a negative charge? A. Proton. B. Neutron. C. Electron. D. Positron. Answer. C. Electron. Speed of light in vacuum is approximately A. 2 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. B. 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. C. 4 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. D. 5 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Answer. B. 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Which law explains action and reaction forces? A. Newton's first law. B. Newton's second law. C. Newton's third law. D. Law of gravitation. Answer. C. Newton's third law. What is the unit of electric current? A. Volt. B. Ampere. C. Ohm. D. Coulomb. Answer. B. Ampere. Which instrument measures atmospheric pressure? A. Thermometer. B. Barometer. C. Ammeter. D. Hygrometer. Answer. B. Barometer. Which energy is stored in a stretched spring? A. Kinetic energy. B. Heat energy. C. Elastic potential energy. D. Chemical energy. Answer. C. Elastic potential energy. Who discovered the electron? A. Rutherford. B. J.J. Thomson. C. Niels Bohr. D. Einstein. Answer. B. J.J. Thomson. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? A. Force. B. Velocity. C. Displacement. D. Speed. Answer. D. Speed. Which color has the longest wavelength? A. Blue. B. Violet. C. Red. D. Green. Answer. C. Red. What is the unit of power? A. Joule. B. Newton. C. Watt. D. Coulomb. Answer. C. Watt. Which wave does not require a medium? A. Sound wave. B. Water wave. C. Light wave. D. Shock wave. Answer. C. Light wave. Who proposed the law of gravitation? A. Maxwell. B. Newton. C. Faraday. D. Kepler. Answer. B. Newton. Which device converts AC to DC? A. Transformer. B. Rectifier. C. Motor. D. Generator. Answer. B. Rectifier. What is the SI unit of frequency? A. Hertz. B. Joule. C. Newton. D. Ohm. Answer. A. Hertz. Which lens is used to correct myopia? A. Convex lens. B. Concave lens. C. Plano-convex. D. Cylindrical lens. Answer. B. Concave lens. Which metal is used in electric bulbs? A. Copper. B. Iron. C. Tungsten. D. Aluminium. Answer. C. Tungsten. What type of energy does a moving body have? A. Potential energy. B. Kinetic energy. C. Sound energy. D. Heat energy. Answer. B. Kinetic energy. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? A. 50 degrees Celsius. B. 75 degrees Celsius. C. 100 degrees Celsius. D. 150 degrees Celsius. Answer. C. 100 degrees Celsius. Which quantity remains constant in uniform circular motion? A. Speed. B. Velocity. C. Acceleration. D. Momentum. Answer. A. Speed. Which instrument measures electric current? A. Voltmeter. B. Ammeter. C. Ohmmeter. D. Barometer. Answer. B. Ammeter. What is the SI unit of charge? A. Coulomb. B. Ohm. C. Ampere. D. Volt. Answer. A. Coulomb. Which force pulls objects toward Earth? A. Magnetic force. B. Nuclear force. C. Gravitational force. D. Friction. Answer. C. Gravitational force. Light travels fastest in which medium? A. Water. B. Glass. C. Air. D. Vacuum. Answer. D. Vacuum. Which of the following is a renewable energy source? A. Coal. B. Petroleum. C. Natural gas. D. Solar energy. Answer. D. Solar energy.